Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Zeus mid Dota 2 step by step. Start by choosing Zeus and taking mid, then focus on last hits while zoning with arc lightning and thunderbolt damage. Harass constantly without overcommitting, and keep an eye on rune spawns to secure advantage. Buy early survivability and mana items, and ward or ask for vision when enemies gank. Play patiently and scale into teamfight power. Focus your early game on lane control and efficient spell use, keeping mana for continuous harass while ensuring you get farm. Use Arc Lightning to secure creeps and harass, then follow up with Lightning Bolt when the enemy is low. Rotate to secure runes and pressure other lanes when opportunities arise, but always respect enemy rotations and request vision from your team to reduce gank risk and keep momentum. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control and smart mapping make it a chill companion for gamers who hate crumbs and cables. It even learns your schedule for hands-off cleaning. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Transition into mid-game by grouping for objectives and using Zeus Global Presence to secure kills with ulti and lightning bolt bursts. Build items that increase cast range and survivability so you can stay at the backline and dish out consistent damage. Use Force Staff or Yules to reposition or save yourself, and coordinate with teammates to chain disables into your ultimate for maximum impact and objective control.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.